Hello friends. So friends, if you are trying to download Amex India application but you know could not download it because when you download it you often a error often come on your screen, that is your device is not compatible with this version. So we talk what is the reason for this error and what is the solution for this error. Okay, so let's get started. The app might require a minimum amount of RAM, for example 6 GB, to run smoothly, and your device has less than 6 GB RAM. Okay, sometimes developers restrict an app to certain screen size or resolutions to ensure a good user experience. If your screen is too small or has an unusual resolutions, you might see this error. Okay, and if your device is several year old and no longer receive OS updates, the issue is usually permanent. It means the new app simply will not work on your hardware. Okay, on that hardware. Okay, so it means you should need to replace your device with the latest features. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.